I found God on the side of the road in a two-door Chevy. When she was whispering softly in my ear, then screaming to hold the wheel steady. Away it goes.
Hi guys, so it's been a while since I last uploaded a video here on my YouTube channel. I decided to vlog again because I will be moving to a new apartment next week. And yan, naisip ko lang na gusto kong i-vlog yung journey and also yung last few days ko dito sa apartment na to for memories. Kakauwi ko lang and kanina nag-sign ako ng contract dun sa new apartment ko. Ayos lang ako kasi sobrang init dito sa Japan, guys. And sobrang nanglalagkit na ako kanina kaya naligo ako ulit kasi magkikita ulit kami mamaya ni Kiko. Kampai! Yeah!
Sarap. Welcome to Japan!
Bye, Kiko!
Hi sis, I miss you so much.
Yeah, me too.
This will be the first, hopefully not the last. May susunod pa talaga. Paipon lang ako saglit. Shoutout kay Vasti, shoutout kay Viv, Marge, JR, Teddy, Paras,
Lagot
Kim.
kapag may nakalimutan.
yung mga binanggit ko, asan pa ba yung iba? Abdul.
Si
ano
Josh.
ba si Josh. Siyempre si Josh from New Zealand. Bro, ang tagal na natin din nakita. Miss ko na kayong lahat.
Me too, guys.
Japan Tea Life.
Bye, Kicks. Ingat. Hello! So, this is the next day and actually feeling ko ngayon palang magsa-start yung araw ko kasi dito lang ako sa bahay maghapon and wala akong masyadong ginawa. But nag-start na kaming mag-edit ng vlog ni Jace and also linis ako ng very light dito sa apartment kasi dadating yung tita ko bukas from Philippines. Kasi tutulungan niya akong magligpit ng mga gamit dito. Aalis na nga tayo dito. Why not do an apartment tour? Wala lang. For memories ulit. Kasi sobrang miss ko tong apartment na to. Aww. Charot. So, let's go! So, let's start dito sa labas. So, this is my door. Pagpasok. So, pagpasok, first is yung genkan or yung entrance. Tapos, ito naman is cart siya na ginagamit for grocery, lalo na pag bibili ng tubig o kaya ng bigas para hindi siya mahirap bitbitin, tinutulak na lang. Dito naman sa gilid is yung aking luggage, ang aking mga shoes, then may door dito. Ito naman yung toilet. Hiwalay yung toilet and bath ko. So, nothing special. Japanese toilet. Yan yung pindutan and everything. Dito naman sa kabilang side is kitchen na siya. Dining table ko. Tapos, dito ko nilalagay yung mga snacks ko. And dito naman sa kabilang side is my kitchen. Medyo magulo siya. Hindi magulo talaga.
Now I'm drunk on Chardonnay that I bought for our picnic day, and we never got to drink it. So I'm writing what I'm thinking. You could have told me sooner. I was sure that it was me. You used to want to hold me close. You used to want all of me. What's the reason for your tears? And what's the reason for your fears? In my mind I'm kissing you. Oh, and my dog, she misses.
Dito naman is my loft. And nandito ang aking mga winter clothes and mga futon. So that's it for our mini apartment tour, and thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video.
You could tie me up and ring